Hi guys, welcome back to another timeless reading. As I was shuffling your cards, there's a few things that actually came to mind. I kept on hearing consistency. The best consistency is, or the best currency is consistency. Know that only by choosing to see through illusions, you can have access to untapped potential. Therefore, clear your mind of things that are taking your energy and slowing you down. Know that you can ask for divine intervention. Ask your angels, know that they will protect you, and also knowing the importance of letting go of astral parasites. Thank you, guys.